Are you interested in an education at Bombay School of Makeup and Hair? You don't have to take our word for it. Listen to what our amazing students have to say.
My name is Iksha Iyer. Now I'm a makeup artist, but formerly I used to be an academic research paper editor. I am from Bombay.
What made you decide to change your profession entirely?
Makeup was always something I was interested in. I grew up watching my mum wear lipstick religiously. More than anything else, lipstick is the only thing she wore, and I used to watch her intently. My passion, I think, just grew from an interest. And then I used to have my friends over. At any given opportunity, I would make them sit and do their makeup.
Why did you choose Bombay School of Makeup and Hair?
Because during my research, I found that this offered the most comprehensive course where I could get to learn everything. The information on the website was very detailed. The people who I contacted at the academy, like yourself, were very prompt and very proactive. So I felt that it was not just me who was interested, but even the academy who was interested in their student.
What changes do you see in yourself personally and professionally after doing this course?
As a makeup artist, definitely skills have improved, and I've learned new techniques and skills that I didn't know existed when I used to just play around with makeup. I think I'm more organized now. I know how to keep my station clean. I know what to go for, what to look for. My brain is not as scattered as it was before. So I'm definitely more focused and organized.
Which was your favorite segment?
I think fashion and SFX were my favorite.
Any special mentions about trainers?
Oh my gosh, that's so difficult to choose. Kian, Mamita, Maya ma'am, all of them.
What did you like about them?
The energy was amazing. I think that was one of the driving factors to retain our interest. We come with a lot of interest, we come with a lot of enthusiasm. Some of us don't know what to expect. But then I think we receive as much as we give to the trainers and more, for sure. So yeah, Kian started off great. We enjoyed with him, and then Momita's energy was amazing, and SFX was on a different level altogether with Maya ma'am. So yeah.
How would you describe your overall experience at Bombay School of Makeup and Hair?
Amazing. It's one of the best decisions of my life. Yeah.
Would you recommend aspirants to join BSMH?
For sure, absolutely. Yeah.